What's up, guys? Vern here.
Henner.
We're here in what part of New Jersey is this?
Westwood.
Westwood, another area that not too familiar with, but they have good food. This place called, what's it called? Kimchi Smoke.
Kimchi Smoke.
It's run by this famous chef, Robert Cho, right?
Yes.
And I think he won numerous awards.
You know, I am not fusion, that I am 100% Korean and 100% American. My name is Robert Austin Cho. I'm the chef and owner of Kimchi Smoke Barbecue here in Westwood, New Jersey.
So
was it Korean?
Korean American barbecue fusion.
Yeah.
So that sounds like a perfect combination.
We'll find out how this goes.
So come follow us. We'll go in right inside. It's right behind me. You'll see it somewhere over there. It's too light anyway. All right, let's go inside. Nacho mama. What's in there?
Not your mama.
Nacho.
What's in there? Kimchi? Brisket. Oh, there's the brisket?
Pretty sure I don't see a brisket.
P, what'd you get?
Texas Trinity. So it's
sausage.
Ribs, brisket.
There's Hannah digging in. What is that, Hannah?
NYC XXX bowl.
Hannah, we're almost done with the pork belly. How is it? Nice and soft?
It melts in your mouth. You don't need a knife with this. You could just cut right through the pork.
That's perfect. No bone?
Pork belly.
Pork belly, yeah.
So good. Chonut.
Yeah, look how messy it is. It's like dripping and all over my fingers with all that sugar. The bread. Look at my fingers. They said this is life-changing. Let's see.
Life-changing because it'll give you a heart attack.
Hashtag life-changing. This is life-changing burn.
Yeah.
Have you
It actually
found
does.
Nirvana?
It actually does work, you know. It has the sweetness and the savory in it. It's just a glazed donut, very sticky, but it's pretty good. Not bad.
I would try it, but I can't have that donut.
Yeah, we killed it though. Way too much food.
You gotta take this home. Can't finish it.
What is it? I joined.
Alright, Henry, what do you think?
I would give it a thumbs up.
I have leftovers right here. This is the kimchi, the chonut.
I have leftovers. It's in my belly.
Yeah, he devoured it. I think everyone devoured it.
Yeah.
Ace devoured his food, or I think he has leftovers, right? Ace, cameraman? Yeah, there you go. And then Errol and Pete also devoured all their food. So, thumbs up from them, I'm pretty sure.
So
Lots of good meats.
good meat, soft, melting mouth melting meat. Yeah.
Very tender meat.
Tender.
Very-
That's the word I'm looking for. Tender. Yeah. I couldn't think of it.
So, enter. Oh, come to Westwood if you want to come here.
Yes.
Right?
Kimchi
Smoke.
Smoke.
Look for Robert Cho. He's always running around. I tried to get an interview, but
It's too busy.
he's so busy.
Yes.
So, last words.
Yes. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button.
Ding, ding, ding. See you guys.
Bye.